Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is week number 3 in my algo trading journey. So let's talk about some of what I did in this week. So as you guys remember, last week I made a project about using machine learning models to filter bad trades in my trading strategies signal. For example, I have some seasonality pattern that I want to test out on gold. For example, I found out that when you buy gold on Friday and close at it at the end of the day, you would be profitable across multiple years. Yeah. And when you actually use T statistics and P value, it is statistically profitable. Okay, and I test it, and I also use machine learning models to filter bad trades. So what I did in this week is very basic, not too much. So in this week, I focused on advanced Python and also building a website. So these are two courses that I found very valuable for you guys if you want to take a look. In this course, you can learn about class, random methods, a lot of design pattern that you can try now in your class object. And in this course, it will teach you about Blockly library and also how to use Blockly library with Dash library because it's an ecosystem, to make a interactive dashboard. Okay. Here's some projects that I did. So I trying to apply last to make a last objects, and also I made a website using Dash and Blockly. And let me show for you guys. Okay, so this is a basic website that I just made. As you can see here, so let's read some code then. So the code is very simple. I'm basically using a Dash library. As you can see here, I import Dash here. And then I using MetaTrader 5 API, which is this function. Let me see again. Here, this function, getting a data, and it's just visualization using range slider and Blockly line chart. Okay. So as you can see here, we have gold. You can choose another thing. For example, I want to choose TPP USD. And the chart will change alternately, as you can see here. And there are some matrix down here that you can see that looks very not very great. Let's change to US30, for example. And you can also specify the amount of years that you want to see. For example, I want to see from 2021 to 2026, and this is a graph of US30 in that period. And we have also this asset metrics in that period also, which is very valuable, very fun to do so, And there are some class objects that I make. First is the asset. No, not this one. Here. First is the asset matrix that you can get the matrix of the data frame asset. We have swap ratio, Shortino ratio, maximum drawdown, and other things. We can also have a trade matrix. We just need to pass the asset data frame and the stats after we backtest our strategies to actually plot the equity curve, So that basically that matrix.py, and then I made a seasonality pattern using matplotlib to visualize it. Let me show it for you guys. So let's run this code. Okay. Then let's say I want to see some pattern, right? I want to see some pattern. Let's see some pattern in weekday. So let's see how gold move on each weekday. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's good. Here you can see that we have the chart here, the mean return by weekday. So you can see that on Wednesday and Friday, gold tend to rise. So if you buy at the morning and you sell late at night, you would win. Very simple. We also compute the median return because the mean return is sensitive to outliers. Median return is not sensitive to outliers. Okay, let's make another example here. So let's say I want to plot a heat map between the session with the hour. Okay, let's plot the heat map then. Oh, it's not one. It's not a heat map. What is a heat map? I think it would be, let's use, yeah, session hour. Oh, not session hour? Oh my god, bro. So weekday hour. Okay, so we have the heat map here. On each weekday, we have each hour from 0 to 23 hours. And we can see what is the best hour to buy gold or to sell gold. And you can see that if we buy gold on Thursday at 8 o'clock, I'm using Eastern Standard Time. So maybe you can take advantage of that, as this stat very high here. But you need to be careful, because if you do not include commissions and spread, it may be worse than you imagine. So you need to be careful here. But it looks promising, right? It looks promising. Okay, that's it for this week, man. Not too much, but I continue to increase. I think I will add a little bit of features in this website, bro. Yeah. So thank you for watching our videos. This week I learned and I tried to apply. There are some very difficult concepts that I need to learn and apply that and to make my own project. I think the next week I will build something incredible to solve for you guys. Okay.